Right. But we still got enough ambient light, so maybe ISO 800 or 1600, you'd be able to get some of the ambient light and grab the fountains.
All right.
But grab them before they're gone.
Yeah, let's get it before we lose the light. You call this the magic hour.
It is magical. Because we've got some ambient light, we're not going to have to go really high on the ISO. But I'm shooting at about, wow, 1/100, about f5, and I'm at ISO 250. So I'm going to see what this does.
One thing I noticed is that the best photographers are very patient. I'm not a good photographer because I always autograph that.
Shake it, like a
I'll autograph it. That's awesome. So later we'll see how that came out. That's fantastic. So where did you get the film? Was it lying around or?
I got the last 3 off Amazon about 2 years ago.
Wow.
It's been in the fridge.
So this is a big deal to using this. Thank you.
Where are you finding this film?
That's awesome. Look how beautiful it is. It came out great.
Like 2 boxes.
Very cool.
Beautiful shot. Yeah.
That's really cool.
Stop making that film.
Enough stormtroopers, hot babes, and stone men. It's time to move to the Paris. I'll take that one and move on. But I was trying to get compose something with the skyline, the cosmopolitan, and the fountains there in the background.
I think having a wide-angle lens is really going to help you capture the whole picture. If you don't have a wide-angle lens, you're really going to have to come in close.
It's a little tricky. Yeah.
Wow. That was cool. Yeah.
This is a great shot here, the Eiffel Tower.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 3 different shots.
Okay.
And then combine them together so that I can get both the light and the dark.
Okay.
It's quite beautiful.
There's stormtroopers down there.
Stormtroopers, everybody, let's get them! Swarm the storm. Look at this.
That's the coolest thing.
Get the camera over here.
Analog.
So what's your name? Mark. Mark is shooting with an SX70, a Polaroid.
That's very cool.
I also have my
Oh, all right. I like them. Do you actually take shots with a Polaroid?
yeah, until my film runs out. I've got 1 pack left.
That's awesome. Look at this. There's
And then you are backing the car out into life itself. Like millions of others, you enter the arena once more. You are on the freeway, threading through traffic now, moving both towards something and towards nothing at all, as you punch the radio on and get Mozart, which is something. And you will somehow get through the slow days and the busy days and the dull days and the hateful days, and the rare days, all both so delightful and so disappointing because we are all so alike and so different. You find the turnoff, drive through the most dangerous part of town, feel momentarily wonderful as Mozart works his way into your brain and slides down along your bones and out through your shoes. It's been a tough fight, a fight worth fighting, as we all drive along, betting on another day.